मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमिया मौसम छे गई रात और भूलो बदी बात प्रेमिया मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमिया मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग दे बिछे तारी बात रे तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग दे बिछे तारी बात रे तारा ओए चबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग दे बिछे तारी बात रे
Hello everyone, have you looked what I have done? Yes, I have already lit up the diyas and there are so many balloons. Actually, I was looking at the calendar. This is the month of November and then suddenly I noticed something that this year Children's Day and Diwali is coming side by side. This has already been so many months and DPS Kids has never missed any opportunity to celebrate any occasion or any activity till now. How can we miss Children's Day and Diwali?
14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. That day we celebrate Children's Day as he used to love children a lot.
We, the teachers of DPS Kids, are very glad to have you all in our school. DPS Kids is all about the children. So how can we miss Children's Day? So we have planned that we will celebrate from our home. We have a very small presentation for you all. Watch and enjoy. First, Payal ma'am will be presenting you a very beautiful song and a dance along with it.
Hello children! Today I am singing a song for you. The song is Bulbul Pakhi Moinati Aina Jana Gan Shuni Bulbul Pakhi Moinati Aina Jana Gan Shuni Dur dur boner gan নীল নীল নদীর গান দুধ ভাত দেব সন্দেশ মাখিয়ে বুলবুল পাখি ময়নাটি আয়না জানা গান শুনি ঝিলমিল ময়নাটিয়ে আয়না জানা গান শুনিয়ে কোন গাছে কোথায় বাসা তোদের ছোট্ট কি বাচ্চা আছে তোদের দিবি কি আমায় দুটো তাদের আদর করে আমি পুষবো তাদের সোনার খাঁচায় রেখে ফল দেব খেতে রাতে কৃষ্ণ গান দেব শুনিয়ে বুলবুল পাখি ময়নাটিয়ে আয়না জানা গান শুনি দূর দূর বনের গান নীল নীল নদের গান দুধ ভাত দেব সন্দেশ মাখিয়ে বুলবুল পাখি ময়নাটিয়ে আয়না জানা গান শুনি So this is only for you and wish you a very 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 happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless you all. Take care yourself. Bye.
Wow, Payal ma'am can sing so well, right? I didn't know that she sings so well and she done so well as well. Now, I have a special performance of me and your favorite Sneha ma'am performing together. So let us see the performance. But before that, Sneha ma'am has a very small message to deliver to you all. First, listen to her, what she is saying, then I will take you to our performance.
Hey my dear students, hello, how are you? I really hope and pray that you are doing great. So today I am here to tell you about few things, actually to celebrate few things. Today is Diwali as well as Children's Day, and because of this pandemic situation we couldn't meet. That doesn't mean that we are not going to celebrate this day. We have to celebrate the Children's Day for you. So without wasting any time, without wasting any more thing, I am going to give you a short performance. I know I am not a good dancer, I know I am not a good singer, I know I am good at nothing, but I love you guys very very much. That's why I am presenting you a small token of love. So enjoy it. Tada!
Okay, so have you listened to the message of Sneha ma'am? Okay, now let us move on to the performance of me and Sneha ma'am.
1, 2, 3, start. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा खागा मंडी कच्चा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टकबक 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 घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टकबक 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 लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा.
Alright guys, as we all know that this year the celebration is little smaller, but I hope you all have enjoyed it a lot sitting at your home and being safe, right? So let us celebrate this year a very happy and safe, eco-friendly Diwali as well as a very happy Children's Day. Here, promise me, you will not blow any firecracker. Firecrackers pollute our environment. It makes life of us, the elderly people, the smaller babies and the animals a very miserable life. It makes the life of very elderly people, smaller babies, and the life of animals a hectic and a miserable life. So let us take an oath that we will not make anyone's life hectic. This year we will celebrate a firecracker free Diwali. Make rangolis, have sweets, have your Diwali safe and a happy one. I, on behalf of DPS Kids, wish you a very happy and safe Diwali as well as a very happy Children's Day. Children, this year we can't celebrate it like the previous year, but I promise you, next year we will definitely celebrate this day in a better and in a bigger way. Till then, be safe, be happy. Bye bye.